Alright, so today we are going to build the Omaha wood coop by Rugged Ranch and get it all set up on the property. We've got a nice level area here. Should be a fun project. Alright, so we have our instructions here and our pieces. So these are all Phillips head screws and some hinges. And yeah, so should be easy. Let's get going.
So this is the contents of the 3 boxes. It wasn't really a rhyme or reason to what was in each box. The instructions and the hardware were in box 1, which was great. But everything looks good. I think we're ready to go.
Okay, so far so good. We have the main little run up and we've got the coop itself built. There is some weird stuff going on with the instructions and not knowing which way up these go, so we're not sure we have it the right way yet, but we're gonna gamble with it and see how it goes. But so far so good. All right, so we got the coop put on the run and it's coming together. So far that's probably about 20 minutes. It screws together really quickly. Coop tray installed. So everything was in really good shape with the exception of this. It looks like it got exposed to moisture or something, so it's probably be glued or something like that. It's just for the nesting box, I think, so we'll make do for now.
Those aren't cut right.